Great managers are engineers, not philosophers, entertainers, doers, or artists. They recognize the organization as machines that must be maintained and improved. They draw process flow diagrams to demonstrate how machines work and assess its design. They create metrics to show how well each individual component of the machine is performing. Most importantly, the people and the machine as a whole are operational. They are constantly tinkering to improve with its design and its people. They do not do this at random. Rather, they do it in a systematic manner, always keeping the cause and effect relationships in mind. And while they care deeply about the people involved, they do not allow their feelings for them or their desires to spare them discomfort get in the way of the machines, as doing so will be detrimental to both the individuals on the team and the team of which individuals are a part. Of course, the higher you rise in an organization, the more important the vision and creativity becomes, but you must still have the skills necessary to manage and orchestrate effectively. Some entrepreneurs begin with a vision and creativity and then develops management skills as their business grows. Some other entrepreneurs begin with management skills and gradually develop vision as they advance up the corporate ladder. However, great managers, like great musicians, have both creativity and technical skills, and no manager at any level can expect to succeed without the skill set of an organizational engineer. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Things and Things channel. Stay safe.